Alright, so here I am in the OR, the operating room for an AUTOPSY, if you will. Gonna look inside to see if it is in the BEIHAI tradition from Dominator VAVOOM. I'll take a look inside, see what we got. When I get in, I'm going to let you know if I'm going to see what I'm looking for up in here. Okay. I see BP and some tissue in there, which may be dividing where the mine is. So hold on, I'm going to get the BP put away and be back. Okay, there's the BP. Finely grained, but I wanted to show you where the mine is and how they did that tissue. And I'll get another condiment cup out for that contents. Okay, there we are. There is the, yep, I can see it right there. That's what I was looking for, right there, cross match. I'm gonna pour this stuff out and I'll get back. Oh, I'll do that right now. Yep. Cross-matched, just like in the BEIHAI tradition. It very cool. It's something that is very rare in fireworks. When BEIHAI does that, it's usually when there's a mine. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it in their regular ball shells with just a lift in there. But if they've got some mine effect going on in there, they'll generally put a cross match. Isn't that beautiful? I love seeing that. Alright. Good job, Dominator. Is that Dominator? Magnus. Thank you, Magnus. But their mine effect in this one, I think the shells are varying in that kit. If I remember seeing somebody's demo of all of them. This looks like crackling, like you'd get right out of a crackling ball. But, yep. Which is sad, because BEIHAI usually does something better than that. But anyway. So I wanted to remove some of the foil to reveal what's going on in the construction, but and why this is kind of stepped. I don't know why. It's just part of that that wrapping machine. It is a wrapping machine that did this. The ones that I've got, the other BEIHAI shells that I've got from about 5 years ago, they didn't have this machine. They were all hand pasted. But the good thing about this is also that they're not wrapping it in the foil mylar. It's not wrapped in foil mylar. This is actually glued down foil paper. So yeah, this is still an old. You could still consider this an older style. So it's pretty cool, very cool. Love my cross match. That's it. I think I'm done with this one.